pleasure. So now look, I have a vibrant lady for a vibrant forum. So we were here, Miss Shivani, and I was talking to her, and whatever she was telling me, I was thinking, and what all she's done. I was looking at her paintings, then I was looking at her portfolio, and just now, Shweta told me she's a martial art expert also. So I think I have asked everything right to you. Now I'm scared.
Good evening, everyone. No, you don't have to be scared. We both are painters. She also paints, I paint. We both write. I write poems. And being an actor was destiny, I would say. So it's a mix. So I call myself an artist, not an actor. Like
yes, you are an artist. Because actor, anybody can be an actor. Artist, you need a lot of work because you do theatre also. So you are actually into art from your very young age. How did that happen? Like you're a fashion designer also.
Yeah, actually,
how come acting? Like suddenly you're a fashion designer and suddenly you are there like right in front of the camera and maybe 3 setup camera and you're acting. So how did that happen?
Okay, I start from the beginning. In my plus 1, plus 2, I took non-medical just because my friends were taking that. There was no aim at that age कि मुझे ये बनना है या वो बनना है. Okay, my best friend is doing this, I'll do this. In my college, I started BSc in computer science. But then I realized no, this is not me.
Non-medical,
yes,
fashion designing, their own acting,
yes,
Bollywood to Bollywood to Bollywood. So
it took me a lot of time to realize who I am. Yeah. So BSc computer science, I did 2 years, and in 3rd year, final year, I realized this is not me. This is not happening. Physics not happening with me. And then I took admission in fashion designing. Well, first year I did from Ambala Kent, and I was a good student. So my teacher suggested that you should, migrate to a better institute. So then I came to Chandigarh, and I finished my 2nd and 3rd year from IIT Chandigarh Sector 8. And then I was modeling in my college, and then doing shoots for local brands and everything. And one day I was getting bored. I was really bored. So I was like, let's do something. I was on the road, and in front of me there is Tego Theatre. I just entered. It was a free ticket kind of play, and the play is happening, and I was mesmerized. Wow, what a beautiful world. The theatre is completely a different world.
That's why you joined Alankar Theatre.
Yes, that's when I joined Alankar Theatre as a designer. But my mentor, my teacher, Chikresh Kumar, he said, no, you are going to act. And I did my first play, Ankayuk, as Krishna. First role playing Krishna, very challenging, but he was there to guide me. And then after only 2-3 plays, I got an offer for a Punjabi film, Habibu Lucky. It's a production house, a heavy major production house from Mumbai team. Producers, directors, everybody from Mumbai.
Who's done Char Sahib Char?
Yes, exactly. And after 2-3 months of Sahib Chare, Hamari film आई. And then it was with Amrinder Gill and Harish Verma and all those actors. And I did that for money, I'll be very honest. The money was really good. Okay, the college चल रहा है, morning चल रही है, theatre भी हो रहा है, चलो. I was working as a merchandiser in an export house at that time. College से pass out होके first job लगी है, बहुत खुश हूँ, satisfied, happy my life. सुबह 5 बजे से रात के 10 बजे तक I'm busy.
यहाँ से आप happy go lucky से Hollywood कैसे पहुँचे?
That's what I'm telling you. So movie की सिर्फ पैसों के लिए. First one only for money. It was a good money. जितना मेरा 1 साल का मेरा package था वो मुझे 20 days में मिला था. It's like I should not say no to this. But when I saw myself first time on the big screen, that was the time like I want to be an actor. I left my job. I started giving auditions. I gave an audition in Punjab, in Chandigarh itself, and I got Sarojit. They were auditioning all over India. I was lucky, I would say. I got Sarojit.
So in Sarojit, you worked with Aishwarya and Randeep.
Yes.
So what was your experience? Like first you worked in Sarojit. First you worked in Punjabi.
First Punjabi film, second Sarojit.
What was the difference?
Difference is huge. People are very professional in Mumbai. Everything is planned, everything is written on paper, but we are going know what, how many scenes where and how, and who is doing what, who is wearing what, who is saying what, everything is planned. But I would say at that time in Punjabi industry, it was not that planned. That our writer used to come on set and write dialogues for me. Okay, aap ye bolte na, according to the situation. And that was little, you were like, okay, maybe this is how it happens. But when I did Sarabji, then I realized, no, this is the process how you make a film. So it was a lot of learning. On camera, off camera, I have learned a lot from that film, a lot. And of course from Aishwarya Rai, Richa Chadha, Darshan Kumar, all my co-actors, Randeep Hooda. It was a great learning thing.
कुछ घबराहट सी वर्किंग एडे बड़े सितारियां नाल काम करना कुछ होता था.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं, बहुत कुछ होता था. फर्स्ट मुझे ऐश्वर्या पे बहुत क्रश था, बचपन से मुझे बहुत पसंद थी वो. तो खुद को समझाना था कि ऐसे ही उनको घूरते रहना है, अपनी लाइन्स भी बोलनी है, एक्ट भी करना है. And I used to do that sometimes. The scene is happening and I'm looking at her and then I realize, no, I'm in the scene. So she is so beautiful inside and out. She's an amazing person. तो खुद को होटल में जब मैं बोलती थी तो खुद को समझाती थी, अपने डायलॉग्स अच्छे से याद करती थी कि मेरी वजह से रिटेक नहीं होना चाहिए सबके सामने, कि Aishwarya is doing well, everybody is doing well, but I made a mistake and we have to do this again. So I used to train my brain. जैसे कैमरा ऑन होगा, सैड दिखना है, रोना है, मैं गिरी हूँ, मेरे पापा जेल में है, and I used to continuously I used to repeat this in my mind. So the moment I used to say action, I am in that mode. So कि कभी मेरी वजह से रिटेक ना हो, तो thank God कभी मेरी वजह से रिटेक नहीं हुआ, कभी नाट नहीं हुई. So yeah.
हॉलीवुड में बॉलीवुड की
Hollywood, I would say that they are also very professional. The major difference what I experienced personally is कि Bollywood films में क्या होता है, आपका एक scene होता है and then they tell you can go to vanity and wait, we are setting up the next scene. थोड़ा lighting change हो रहा है, setup change हो रहा है, props इधर उधर कर रहे हैं. So I was expecting the same in the Hollywood film also. So कुछ मेरा मेहंदी का संगीत का scene था and I was like, okay, they will send me to vanity now. Yeah, 5 weddings. The movie name is 5 Weddings. It was released in 51 countries. So we were shooting in Punjab only. तो मेहंदी का सीन है and I was expecting now they will say कि आप जाइए वैनिटी में जाइए, मेहंदी उतारिए, आप दूसरा सीन लगा रहे हैं and then they call you. And then अभी मैं मेहंदी उतार रही हूँ, they're like, okay, your next scene is here. I was like, right now the setup is there. They're so fast. There's not wasting even a second. और मैं अभी दूसरा सीन कर रही हूँ and I see कि राजकुमार राव and नरगिस फाकरी मेरे सामने खड़े हैं कि थर्ड सीन करो. There is no break. They are so fast. Like जितना अगर हम 2 दिन में शूट करेंगे, उन्होंने को 3 घंटे में शूट करेगा. So I was amazed कि ऐसे भी काम होता है.
डिफरेंस तो है ना, कहाँ हॉलीवुड हुआ आपको 2-3 घंटे में काम, देन बॉलीवुड, देन हम लोग आ गए, है ना, हम डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं.
Yeah. But I think that's the difference in the outcome also.
We are like that.
हम खुश होकर मस्ती में काम करते हैं, है ना? I think that is also important. But थोड़ा सा और professionalism आ जाए और हम और थोड़े punctual हो जाएं तो that will be good for the industry.
देखो कब कहीं थोड़ा खुला चलता है सब कुछ. So what was your first take when you were like, you were working in a Punjabi film? Then you were suddenly working in a Hindi film.
Okay, the first film हो गई पैसों के लिए, but फिर स्क्रीन पे देखा तो आप एक्टर बनना है, I left my job. तो उस टाइम पे होता है कि जैसे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि किसी एक्ट्रेस, कोई नई एक्ट्रेस आई है, उनकी एक फिल्म आती है, फिर दूसरी आती है, तीसरी आती है, आती रहती है, 10-15 साल से आई जा रही है. तो मुझे लगा मेरे साथ भी ऐसे होगा, मैं एक फिल्म कर चुकी हूँ, फिर मेरी दूसरी फिल्म आएगी, तीसरी आएगी. बट इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जाके आपको रियलाइज होता है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. दिस इज अ वेरी टफ इंडस्ट्री, स्पेशली मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके. आपको मेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग रहना पड़ता है इस इंडस्ट्री में रहने के लिए. यू मीट ऑल काइंड ऑफ पीपल, मतलब अच्छे बुरे, फ्रॉड्स. सो व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड टू मुंबई, 2 साल तो आपको यही समझने में लग जाते हैं कि असली लोग हैं कौन से जो काम करते हैं, प्रोडक्शन हाउसेज, रियल पीपल, रियल प्रोड्यूसर्स. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी टफ इंडस्ट्री. तो क्या बात कर रहे थे, मैं भूल गई. सवाल क्या था, मैं भूल गई.
आप चले गए किरदार में?
हाँ, मैं मुंबई चली गई.
आर्टिस्ट बन जाएंगे.
हाँ,
हाउ कैन पेंटिंग?
पेंटिंग. ओके, पेंटिंग मैं जब 4-5 साल की थी तब से कर रही हूँ. आई थिंक दैट क्रेडिट गोज टू माय फादर. तो वो ऐसे टू लिखते थे और फिर इसका वर्ड बना देते थे, तो मुझे बड़ा लगता था वाओ अभी टू लिखा और इसका वर्ड बना दिया. एंड देन सिंस देन आई एम स्केचिंग एंड पेंटिंग, एंड कोविड में काफ़ी सारी पेंटिंग्स मैंने ऑनलाइन भी सेल की हैं, तो इट इज़
तो इतनी सारी आर्टिस्टिक थिंग्स एंड सडनली मार्शल आर्ट.
मार्शल आर्ट स्कूल टाइम में किया, ब्राउन बेल्ट लेवल तक किया. तो होता है स्कूल की छुट्टियों में आफ्टर 10th +1 +2 जो 2-3 महीने का जो फ्री टाइम होता है उसमें क्या करें, तो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स डू मार्शल आर्ट्स. इंडस्ट्री में आई वाज गोइंग टू डू अ फिल्म जिसमें उसके लिए मैंने एनिमे भी स्टार्ट किया मुंबई में ही.
लाइफ में वैसे यूज किया
लाइफ में वैसे लिटरली ऐसे किसी को मारा नहीं है, पर मार्शल आर्ट मुझे लगता है कि हर एक इंसान को, लड़की को, लड़कों को, सबको करना चाहिए. उससे कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज चेंज हो जाती है, आपको पता है कि कुछ होगा तो एक दो को तो चलो संभालें, हाँ 10-15 आगे तो I'm not यू नो असली में एक्शन हीरोइन नहीं हूँ, बट एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है when you're walking on a road, आपकी वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज में दिखता है. तो एक अगर मैं अकेले जा रही हूँ और मैं ऐसे दुबक के सहम के जा रही हूँ और ऐसे किसी को देख रही हूँ, तो वो जज कर लेते हैं कि यू नो कि इसको हम डोमिनेट कर सकते हैं, बट यू आर जा रहे हो कि नहीं मुझे तुम हाथ लगा के दिखाओ टाइप्स. तो बीइंग अ गर्ल मुझे चीज़ बहुत हेल्प की है लाइफ में. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप अपने बच्चों को जरूर मार्शल आर्ट सिखाएं, उनकी कॉन्फिडेंस में, उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, द वे यू नो कैरी योरसेल्फ, उसमें बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
I think we are over with the time, so I'm very punctual because she every 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So thank you so much and thank you Shivani.
Thank you.
And thank you from Vibrant Forum and from all of us to a Vibrant.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It's my honor to be here among such wonderful people. Thank you so much.
One
It's
question.
lovely to meet you.
One question from the audience.
The Hollywood film is 5 weddings.
5 weddings.
5 weddings, and I'm the first bride, first wedding. No, it's not. I need to check actually if it's there. Thank you.
We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.